Hey everyone, this is Jay, and today I'll be showing you how to configure OSPF on Cisco routers. The network we have here contains 3 routers and 3 end nodes, and there's 2 serial WAN links. So let's start off with configuring the routers. So this is enter the command line. Let's type in conf team. Alright, so let's begin with configuring the interfaces. Let's go with FA00. So let's type in an IP address of 172.16.10.1 and a subnet mask. Okay, let's type in the no shot command. So now let's move on to the serial interface of 000. Again here, an IP address. We're going with 172.16.20 and the subnet mask. Okay. So now let's type in the no shut command. Alright. Oh, also we gotta set the clock rate. You see here we got the DC connection. So let's type in 64,000 bits. Alright, now you should be all set. Alright, so to configure OSPF, what you want to type is router OSPF and a process ID. Just go with 1. Alright, now let's type in the interfaces that you want the router to receive OSPF messages on. So let's go with network 172.16.00, and here we're going to use a wildcard mask. So let's go with 0.0.255. So what the 2 zeros are saying is basically anything with 172.16 it will receive, and to ignore the last 2 octets. So now let's type in the area of 0. Alright, now let's continue on to the next one. Okay, so basically the same thing here. Alright, let's go with 0. Alright, let's set an IP address of 172.16.30.1 and then no shut command. Alright, now let's go to the serial interface of 010, and let's set the IP address of 172.16.20.2 and then no shut command. Okay, let's go to this interface, and that's 0.0.0.0. Okay. Let's go to the IP address here of 172.16.40.1. Okay, and the no shut command. And again here we have to set the clock rate. Okay, now let's exit. Alright, so now let's go to configure OSPF 1. Now let's type in network 172.16.0.0 and again a wildcard mask. Oh, sorry, you want to type in area 1, actually area 0. Okay, so now we're good with this router. Now let's go to the final one. Alright, so again, let's configuration terminal, and let's go with this serial 01 0. Let's type in an IP address of 172.16.40.2. Oh. Okay, and then no shut command. Okay, now let's go to the fast ether interface. And let's give an IP address here of 172.16.50.1 and the subnet mask. Okay, and again, no shut. Alright, so let's configure OSPF. Let's go with network 172.16.0.0 and 0.0.255 area 0. Okay, so now let's configure the end nodes. Alright, the IP address here is 172.16.20.2 255.0, and the default gateway is, oh actually it's .10, sorry about that. Okay, alright, now we have that one configured. Let's go to the next one, and this is 172.16.30 255 and 172.16.30.1. Alright, now let's go to the final one. And here we have 172.16.50.2 255 and 172.16.50.1. Okay, so now we configured all the routers with OSPF. So now to test it out, we're going to ping these two machines right here from this one. So let's open up the command prompt and ping 172.16.30.2. Alright, let's see if this works. Alright, sweet. Now we have connection to this computer over here. So now let's ping this one right here. Let's go with ping 172.16.50.2. Alright. And there it is. Now you have connection to all the networks, through all the serial WAN links, and that's how you configure OSPF. Thank you.